guys, in this tutorial we will discuss how we can set up live free chat on our WordPress website. So you can see this is our WordPress website. So we would like to add free live chat system on our website. So how we can do that? Okay, so just go to Google and there is a just type talk to. You can see the URL name is talk to. Okay, just click on here. So this is the website from where we can manage our live chat system on our website. Okay, so first of all we need to sign up. Okay, so let's sign up first. I can my name, put your email ID. Okay, and you can add our password. You can see in 6 character minimum, at least one number, and one is upper and lower case character. Okay, okay, this is something password is too similar to name, so we need to change something else. Okay, now click on sign up for free. Okay, looks like the account is created. There is some steps we need to follow. Let's select your language. You can select this one. Okay, create property. Okay, site name, you can add site name like our demo site, and enter site URL. So this is our URL, so just add our URL and enter your widget name. You can add something like that. Okay, now click on next team members. Okay, so we can add multiple team members. So as of now we can skip this. Okay, here you go, you can see the install widget. So here is the code. Okay, here is the script file already generated. We need to copy this. Okay, just copy it, widget code copied. Now we need to add this script in the body tag. Okay, so in that case we need to open our header.php file. We can do from cpanel, or we can do from WordPress backend area. So this is our WordPress. I'm going to okay, now you can see this is our backend, WordPress backend area. It's loading. Okay, so we need to open our header.php file where we can see our body tag. So in the left side there is an option for appearance, so just click on theme file editor. Okay, and you can see here a header.php file. So as per the instruction, it needs to be added in the body tag. So this is you can see the body tag has started from here. Okay, so in the body tag we need to put a script. So here we can put our script. I just added the script for talk to for the live chat system and update the file. So once you update the file, go to the dashboard for talk to and just click on done. Now you can see is the dashboard area for the live chat system, and we need to view our website. So once you view our website, you can see your live chat system has been appeared at the right side. Okay, So on the right side you can see the symbol for chat. Just click on here, you can chat now. Okay, you can start your new conversation easily. Okay, like, so here you can also send message something like hello, how are you. Okay, so you can see now we need to click here and open next. So from here you can reply. So the some visitor has replied for hi, hello, how are you. So this is the dashboard from the admin side who can manage the chat portal. So here the admin can reply back. Okay, so admin can reply back from there. Okay, just type hello, welcome to our website. So once you submit, now visitor can also see the message. Okay, can reply something like that. RK, hello. So you can see the hello. So ARK has joined. So the team member is ARK has joined, and the visitor can see the ARK has joined here, and ARK just sent a message to hello. And also if visitors type I need some help and send message to the admin chat portal, now ARK also respond here. Okay, let me know your concern. So ARK send message to the visitor. Now visitor can also see the message. So this is the way we can easily add chat portal on our website. And once user visit the website, and if user would like to need some help from this chat portal, they can easily submit their queries. And admin, their admin can add multiple team members who can join the chat portal and support to the visitor.